Good morning from my side. Good morning from Lebanon. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel today, guys. How are you all doing? How was your night? I know most of you, this should be your evening, your maybe or your night. You are sleeping, so sleep tight if you are sleeping, okay? And those who are in the morning, okay? We thank God for another beautiful day. I believe you slept fine. I believe your night was calm. Okay, for me, I give glory to God because I slept straight. I slept straight, direct. Oh my goodness, this God is wonderful. Imagine you going to bed, without waking up in the night. As in, you realize when you wake up in the morning, when you finally see yourself in the morning, like when God wakes you up in the morning, you now realize that since you go to bed, that's how you slept straight. Oh God, thank you so much, because without you. Anyway, welcome back, So in today's video, guys, we have a lot to do. Move out all our spoons, all our tools, kitchen tools, okay, and make sure I fix them well. And we are going to clean the wall, and we are going to move uh fridges, okay, just to move and clean the behind as usual. Okay, guys, stay tuned, and you know and let's grow together. Thank you so much for all your support. So move this. And we are going to change this everything, and you take as in and bring and put new here. So yeah. Yes, I tell you, the Lord has started a new work. He will finish it in you. Yes, I tell you, He will finish it in us. Yes, I tell you, He will finish it in us. Yes, I tell you, He will finish it in you. Yeah, we brought a new, um, what stuff to use it. I've done from all this. My drawer is now all well arranged and neat. I wish it would remain like this. I really wish it's going to be like this. Okay, so now I'm working. Oh yeah. Everything is going on this place. Okay, so we are going to make everything down there. So I will talk to you guys later. Um, Now I'm going to fix all the cups, the mug cups, glass cup, our coffee cup. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for supporting. Please do not forget to give this video a very. Hi, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Good morning. It's another beautiful day. It's another busy day. How are you all doing, honey? How is your side? How was your night? How is your day? How is your evening? I know a lot of us are in different, times, so I greet you all according to your own time. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time to come across this channel, kindly subscribe and feel at home. Okay, thank you so much for coming. Thank you, viewers. Thank you all. Yani, I appreciate you all for all your support, my amazing supporters. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. So we are still on here today. It's another day to continue. This vlog I started. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I think yesterday. Yeah. So today we are going to continue because we were, fixing things in our kitchen. So today we are going to, continue with the, as in where we stop. Okay, we are going to continue where we stopped. Okay, yeah. So let's just, get started. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much. I don't know how to even thank. I lack word to use. Okay, so believe in your mind that I really appreciate. Okay, honestly, I'm grateful for everything. I don't know how to say it. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, if you haven't seen me in your house, please do not worry. I'm of course, why not? I will visit you, I will watch your videos. You know, we need to grow together, we need to, you know, support each other, just as you know, I mean, this is God's commandment. He said we should be there for one another. We should be our brother's keeper. Okay, our brothers and sisters keeper. Anyway, guys, all right, so let's go to the kitchen and continue where we stopped last time. Okay, yeah, let's go. And before we start, I want to say a very big thank you, a very big, a very massive thank you to you, Nelian. Thank you so much. Anjat, you surprised me. I was so in shock. You know, I was watching the video and then I saw something. I said, oh my goodness, look at this girl. Honestly, you are really one of the amazing people in this our streets. In short, thank you so much, Nelian. God bless you. Thank you. Honestly, I really appreciate and I admired your energy. You know, I've seen, you know. You got it. Anyway, thank you. Okay, God bless you. And let's go to the kitchen and continue where we stop. Huh? Yes. I told you guys that we have a lot, so let's put clothes in the machine to wash up. Let's put to wash while we are working in the kitchen, and the clothes will be washing. No, this one is dried. This is dry, and this is washed. Finish washing. It's clean. This one, guys, we have good time to wash. I don't want to mix them. Yeah, let them stay like that. So it will not give us a headache. All right, so let's go. So when I push, I'm going to make the floor. When I move, I some, okay? You know, that fish down here, you rush out, move the run, okay? So we can do something. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. See what's there. Oh my goodness, you need to see. Very dirty. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, gentle. We are going to take them back. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. This one also. Try that. Okay. And then this one also. You need to push it in the right position. Right position, because we need to open this. Okay. Right doors. Well done. So we got it. You can open it very well. And this one is stop us. Oh God. Nice job. Yes. Okay. Which tune are you using? Because for me, I can sing bass. I can sing treble. I can also sing alto. Okay. So which one? Use your own. Let's go. 1, 2, go. King Jesus is wonderful. Yes, wonderful Lord, marvelous, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. I will worship Him and glorify His holy name forevermore. And the verse says, forevermore. King Jesus is wonderful. Yes, wonderful Lord, marvelous, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. I will worship Him and glorify His holy name. Oh, don't change. Now, some part that is only some part that the voice can enter. Okay. Okay. Which tune again? Then alto, yeah, alto, no, treble. All right. Don't laugh alone. No. Share this video and just share. You need to share so that everybody will pick their voice in case you are in a place that you cannot use your voice again. So I want to remind you that. I want to remind you that you got this. You need to once in a while. All right. Okay, let's go. King Jesus is wonderful. Yes, wonderful, Lord, marvelous. You don't go. I don't mind. Don't worry. If when I enter training, maybe even 1 week training, you don't open. King Jesus is wonderful. Yes, wonderful, Lord, marvelous, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. I will worship Him and glorify His holy name forevermore. How do you see? I'm only laughing for the voice, so not for the song. King Jesus is wonderful. Yes, wonderful, Lord, marvelous, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. I will worship Him and glorify His holy name forevermore. And the verse said, forevermore. King Jesus is wonderful, yes, wonderful, Lord, marvelous, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Then on, I will worship Him and glorify His holy name forevermore. You can. I want to hear you say something in the comment section. I want you to say something in the comment section. Tell me, in case I'm doing any mistake in the tune, okay? Maybe I mistake tenor to tune, and then to alto, and then I mistake alto to bass. Just tell me something. Training, I've not been, has been long. I use the voice, okay? I can sing normal song, but on that, let's stop there, okay? I believe if you are a singer, okay, you know what I'm talking about. If you are a choir, a chorister and all that, okay, you know what I'm talking about. So let's continue our job. God's time is the best, right? His holy name forevermore. Any chance you have, use it to glorify the name of the Lord. They're working in any, So be encouraged. I'm here to encourage you to keep doing what you're doing, no matter how little it is, and God will surely see you through. Okay? Just do it. Do it with faith. Trust God. Believe in God. And someday, everything is gonna be right. Everything is gonna be fine. Okay? Yeah. It's gonna be marvelous. Jesus, so we need to change the water. This is there. We took new water, clean water. And this is what I'm using. Jake. Jake is good to remove any stain, any hard stain, and the oil, like something sticky here. It's good. It's good. Very good. Who's have you dance? Who's have you dance a bit? I want you to write my dance. Hallelujah. 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 Shaking. It's my way shaking. Hallelujah. Give me a mercy for Lord. I'm your grace to follow. Oh, give me grace to follow. And then your grace is enough for me. Now you give me grace. Give me your grace to follow. Give me your grace to follow. Because your grace is enough for me. Give me grace to follow. Give me grace to follow. Oh, give me grace to follow. I give me grace. I need your grace. Amen. Your grace is enough for me. Give me grace to follow. Give me grace to follow. Give me grace to follow. Give your grace. Yeah, welcome back. So guys, I'm done. Let me show you how dirty your kitchen wall look like if you're not, in case you've not been doing it. Look at me. We are cleaning once in a while, but look at how dirty it look like. So it's good to be doing it, except your kitchen is ordinary paint. But if there is at all, they are making it, they use tiles on it. Please try to do it once in a while. Okay, before we go, I would like to sing this song to encourage you. Okay? I believe, not even I believe, you know the song, okay? It's popular song. Okay, let's go. You know the song, okay? It's a popular song. I know the master of the wind. I know the maker of the rain. He can calm the storms and make sun to shine again. I know the master of the wind. Yes, I know the master of the wind. I know the maker of the rain. He will calm your storms and make sun to shine for you again. I know, I know, I know, I know. So that is the song. Okay? God, Jesus is the master of the wind and he is the maker of the rain. Okay? He can calm the storm, he's capable of calming the storms. Okay? In case there's any, challenges in your way, don't just worry. Keep moving. Do not look back. Keep moving. Keep moving. Just make sure that whatever you do is right. So that's it. I'll see you all in my next video. I know the video is already long, but okay, please make sure you watch everything. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you are new in this channel. My name is Blessing, and this is Blessing Equality TV. So we are together. We are one. Much love. Bye.